him. You don't want to make a video of Zaydo is back. Mama lang will get it, eh. Oh, okay. Okay. Sige, ready? Go! Say it! You did not say something again. Take 3. Again, Zaydo is back. And he got something. Sige, ready? It's a bricks, yes. How about the other ones? He wants to open first. No. You get the other ones first. The other box, the Motor City Garage. Sige. Yes. This is a shopping hall. You have to vlog everything. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, you didn't say anything. Back again. And he got something. Wow, this is the garage. Show them your garage, babe. Show them the garage. Wait, so not yet. Bring the other ones. And this one. What is this?
Gun,
yes. The other one there. The shoes. Your shoes. New shoes. Hurry up. Sige, say it. Zaid is back again. Go get. Oh my gosh. Nice. What is that, Zaid? Huh? The ball. Sometimes he's talking something we don't know. What is this?
shoes.
Oh.
Shoes.
The receipt is here, isn't it? Oh, shoes from Clark. Sandals. Okay. What else, Zaid? What else? Zaid is back again. And he got something. What is that sound? It's a parking sound. Are you parking? What are these? What is this? Oh, yes. What is this? Tell Mama first. What? The drill? Where's the drill then? I don't know. Did you? It's not here. This one? Mama's blouses. And what is this? Sippy cup. What else? This is from the restaurant. What? The drill? It's not here. Maybe in Baba's car. Baba will take it. Baba is doing unboxing. Go get it. Show to us, Baba. Baba is back. And he got something. Oh, 2 shoes. 2 pair of shoes. Brown and black. Okay. What else, Baba? What you do? Oh, it's too much. No. There are things, babe. Mama will get it, babe. Where's the other one, Baba? There. The nipples. Oh, the Baba's casing for his iPhone 6, the old one, no? And the nipples for what is this? Zaid's bottle. But Zaid is not using it anymore. That is to be sent. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Baba is done. So now we'll go to the other stuff here. The others are, oh my gosh, this is the for your garage. Oh, the other one. And this food, I think no need, put it there. And the other one, huh? What's the bottle? Down the other cabinet. This one. Oh my gosh, the other stuff. Oh, Zaid's Stitch lunch boxes and grocery items, and the other stuff is old ones. Oh, Zaydo misses his car, his toys. I run and Zaydo's gun. Baba's toothpaste, soap. The bricks or the gun? The bricks? Oh. Mama already opened this one. Just open it. Go get it. And Mama will get the bullet. It's hard. Oh, put the bullet in the gun. Okay? Where's your gun? This one is for the water. That one is for the tabuli. Sige. Uy. I think we need to cock this one. Like this. Wait. Here, oh. We'll open the farm truck, okay? Farm truck. Oh, where are you going? Oh my gosh. Oh, here, oh. Farm truck, okay? Yeah, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, put it there. And your water gun. When we bath again in the swimming pool, you use this one. Okay, you put water here and fire. Shoo, 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 shoo. Oh.
So the heater off.
Mama will try. Wait, Mama will fix it. We'll see if this is. No, Mama will try. Oh, like that. Yes, Mama will do it. Sige. Oh my God. Oh, sige. Zido will do it. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Sige. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's wrong? Huh?